By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur the face of a video like this that you're looking on the screen. So without much ado, let's get started. So in order to blur a video of a screen, I mean the face of a video, well, I'm going to show you. Number one, you have to import the video that you want to actually blur. So for example, I want to blur the face of this particular video, so make sure you import it into the Filmora software. Remember, we are using Filmora software for it. And then make sure you are connected to the internet, and then just click on effect. And by the time you click on effect, just come to search filter, and then you search for utility, utility. You search for utility, and then you click on enter. So it's going to search for all the utility, and then it's going to display the ones that we are gonna use. So under it is utility, we have face off, we have mosaic, we have crop, and all these. Okay, so we are going to make use of mosaic. So make sure you click on download, and then after you click on download, then drag it down to your screen. Here you could see that automatically it's already showing, but you make sure you drag it to the end of the video that you actually wants to use. Okay, so for this particular video, if I play it, and you will see that already the face has been blurred, but it's not really giving me the perfect one that I actually need. So you can click on this blur amount here, and then you can actually play with it. The more you actually increase the amount, the more it will be big, and then you can actually broaden it in order not to see what is actually going on. So you have to do this manually, because for now Filmora have not really come to the aspect of auto blowing. So for example, I've already blocked this woman, and then I still have this man that has not been blocked. But if I take it from the beginning, you could see that it has been blurred, the face has been actually blurred. And then by the time you reach this particular place again, what you just have to do again is you have to expand this place. If you actually want the man to actually if you want it to be blurred too, you have to expand it to this particular place, or perhaps you make it full the screen. That is just a simple way if you really don't want to have some problem editing. So let us try to play it again and see how the something is gonna be. So you can actually play with it and see how you can actually blur. But with the mosaic look, you can actually do it. You can also use face off also if you want to blur the video, but I like using mosaic a lot. So that is how to blur a video, the face of a video, using Wondershare Filmora 12. If you've loved this video, consider to subscribe to this channel, and then I'm gonna see you in the next video.